In this episode, we're checking out Gateway Arch National Park in St. Louis. We get a glimpse of the arch from in front of the old courthouse and a perspective shot to give you a sense of the size of the arch itself. I'm JD, and along with my wife Chris, we are the Casual Cruisers. On this channel, we'll bring you ship tours, port tours, and information on excursions and other activities. We hope you find our channel enjoyable and informative. If you do, please click the like button and consider subscribing. Now, let's cast off on the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers. Before we go into the park, there are some other sights in the area. This Lewis and Clark statue for one. And the Riverboat landing, which cruises up the river and serves a dinner show. The entrance to the national park has signs with the times of the attractions. Here are the prices for the park attractions, and you'll notice if you have an America the Beautiful pass, they cost a little bit less. And going down this escalator, we enter the arch exhibits, and you can see some of those exhibits as we move towards the arch entrance itself. And here is the art store, which has different types of souvenirs. And this is the beginning of the entrance to the arch itself. While waiting to get on the tram, you get a presentation of the history of the arch. Getting in the cart to go up to the top of the arch, along the way you can see the interior of the arch. As you will see, although there are 5 seats, only 3 adults can fit in the car at a time. Please consider clicking the like button and subscribing to help us grow the channel. You can see the internal structure of the arch through the cart's glass doors. And there is a transition from moving up to moving at a diagonal as you near the top. As you exit the car, the previous groups are waiting to go back down, and you have numerous steps to ascend to the top of the arch. As you reach the top of the arch, the viewing area is split in half to allow numerous people the opportunity to view the sights. As you look out the viewing ports, you can see the river to the east and St. Louis to the west. You can even see Busch Stadium from up here. Here you see the sign showing the height of the arch as 630 feet. Back on the ground, there is a food court and the other exhibits you can see as we walk through them. Thank you for watching our video of the Gateway Arch National Park. Please click the like button and consider subscribing to help us grow the channel and reach a wider audience. And as always, bon voyage until the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers.